Good morning. Today we're going to replace the key fob batteries on a 2014 Nissan Altima. What you'll need is your key fob, a small screwdriver, and Duracell 2032s. 2032. I'm using the Duracell Duralock Power Preserve, supposedly guaranteed for 10 years. First thing you need is to get your key fob. I got this little pink thing from my wife off of eBay somewhere. Take that off. Flip this little switch here. Pull the key fob, or pull this key thing out. Take the screwdriver there. Open it up like that. There we go. Should come open. The battery is in there. Take the battery out. Ta-da. Grab a new battery. Stick it in there nice and neat. And that wasn't quite nice and neat. I'm all thumbs today. Ooh, dirty. Close it all back up. Put it all back together. And you're pretty much done. That was pretty simple. Just gotta clean it off. Put her little pink thingy back. I don't really like it, but she likes it. And ta-da! All set. This is on a 2014 Nissan Altima key fob. Thank you.